check I sneak out. Open fridge and I drink that the big stouts. Multi fine girl, more can reach out. And I'm NTA, more can speak out.
What's up? You know what it is, Budge on the microphone. We're out here, Omo Pastor shoots, looking like you guys are hungry, sha. I've been eating all day. You told my ride all times. But all good, we're still here. What's up?
You bring fire to my wood.
Yo, what's happening? My name is Flowers, aka Flowers, the bad guy. Right now, we are on set. This is Ajebutter video shoot. Omo Pastor. This is the church scene. One of the members of the choir. So just get ready for it. It's been very nice, you know. We are just chilling in the lounge. This my guy Budge is our master. Choir master K9 in the house.
Hallelujah. Charlie, I'm the life of the party. You already know it's your boy K9 repping Tribe Records, and we're out here at Ajebutter's shoot. So Omo Pastor. It's been fun, man. It's been fun. I mean, shit, I'm hyped. I'm having fun. Seeing a lot of new people.
I'm Shay and we are actually on the set of Omo Pastor, Ajebutter's second video, and it's been a great day. We've done countless scenes. I'm going to go with pajamas now, and you're going to see me open out my window when my dad leaves the room. So this is going to be fun.
At a prayer meeting, and a friend asked her what the hell she thinking.
Pastor in the shoot, backstage, behind the scenes, on the set of Pastor. Yeah, choir master here, and I'm just a bad guy in church. You know what I mean? Understand? EgoFixTV.
Hello, my name is DRB-LASGIDI. I'm on set the Ajebutter Omo Pastor video, and I am the hair and makeup artist for today. Check out the video as soon as it comes out.
Hi, my name is Effie. I'm here in the set for the shooting of Omo Pastor by Ajebutter and Budge. It's been great. We've been here since 9 this morning. We've had a church scene, we had a party scene. It's just been awesome. I even had a performance scene with Budge, and that was great. I've just had fun dancing the whole day, and I can't wait to see the video, guys. It's something to look forward to. You're all gonna enjoy it.
Hi everyone, it's me again, ZI. I'm on the set of Omo Pastor, Ajebutter featuring Budge from DRB, and we've got Shay, who's the pastor daughter of Omo Pastor. I actually like the story behind it because I didn't know what he was saying in Yoruba, but now I get it. Keep guys, it's going to be an amazing video, so keep watching. EgoFixTV.
Ṣe go girl Omo Pastor, ó kù díẹ̀ ìwọ náà ló máa bad gan. Mo dẹ̀ rí ẹni church lánàá, you bring fire to my wood, ó fẹ́ dáná. Mo wọ miniskirt, mo lo túra, tó bá dọ̀la, ó máa bora, ó mu Baileys àti vodka. Wọ́n nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì máa gbàdúrà.
Ó yá wá lẹ́pà tó dùn, ó dẹ̀ ṣe good girl Omo Pastor. Ó kù díẹ̀ ìwọ náà ló máa bad gan. Mo dẹ̀ rí ẹni church lánàá. She wants me to buy her roses. She said that she's feeling naughty. I said that I'm really not sure. I swear that I've seen you before. Yeah, Omo Pastor. She you wanna put me for trouble, Omo Pastor. She you wanna finish my show, Omo Pastor.
There's no way that I
look for a girl like you.
I see your type of boy, that type that keeps coming back for I need that magic.
Omo Pastor, she don't listen. Omo Pastor, she's a vixen.